Welcome to Unit 2. This unit starts on the first date, ends on the second date, and I note when the due date is, which is on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Let's take a look and see what's due this week. Make sure you're reading the announcements. I put good stuff in there, especially, usually if everything's due on Sunday, I will have everything graded by Monday at 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning at the very latest. So, review everything in the folder. Make sure you're choosing a topic. Complete the WPS assignment, a discussion board, NetLab. NetLab's kind of a lot of work. There's a lot of directions to get to it. I do mention to you, this is your first NetLab assignment. It's our first NetLab, but when you log into NetLab, it is listed under NetLab 9 Physical Security. Make sure you're reading the class textbook and the articles. There's your Wi-Fi protected setup assignment. You can click here, read the directions, fill out the form, and then submit it here. The discussion board directions are here. Response posts are optional this week, so you don't have to respond. You just have to make sure you get your post in by Sunday. NetLab files, everything you need to know about signing up for NetLab and doing NetLab are right here. Then NetLab, here's directions. There is a template that is used for NetLab. It is located here. Make sure you complete the assignment and submit it using this link. Let's look at the NetLab files. There's instructions. If you get a warning, I tell you what to do, or actually I didn't make this, somebody else made it, but it tells you what to do to bypass the warning. A quick start setup guide. Here's the template, and here's a link again to the assignment. All right, so some of you are waiting till the very last minute to do your work, and that's cool, but remember, if you want a recommendation letter from me, one of the things they ask me is, do you complete work in a timely manner? If I have to answer no, I'm not going to give you a recommendation letter, because I don't want to recommend people who don't do their work in a timely manner. And remember, if you're waiting and you've run out of time and you can't get it all done, your grade rounding is not going to happen, because you're not being responsible with your time. You're not doing time management, which is part of being in college. So do your work on time. Learn something, because this is your chance and you're paying for it. You may as well learn something while you're paying for it. And if you have any questions, send me an email.